Juju, you're such a good father. You know that? You keep your babies on point. He's tired because he's been taking care of these very rare solid black. Their bones are black, their heart's black, the organs are black, they're solid black. Very rare birds. And Juju's keeping them safe, taking care of business every day, doing it right. And this is Haven's Homestead. And that's just one incubator. We got this one fully loaded. And it's on point. And this one's doing its job. What's that, little baby? Oh, we got another little baby hatching. What's up, little Hatchito? Oh, man. We busy around here. We got hatchy babies for this age. Babies up to his age. What's really going on around here? Is that baby? Homestead living.